Hi, I'm Greg Stokes. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we're talking about the 4 mistakes that adjusters see attorneys make. The first mistake. Many attorneys, when they're dealing with adjusters, they accept what the adjuster is telling them about the claim. And they accept the opinion of the adjuster. And the adjuster starts to developing a certain amount of credibility where they say, this is how we see the claim, this is what we believe it's worth, this is what we think it's happened. And the attorney, when they're dealing with them, starts to develop a certain credibility with that adjuster. And they don't want to lose it. And then when that adjuster says, this is our full and final offer, many attorneys will accept that as true. Well, of the many, many cases that we have handled, I can tell you in just about every case, we have heard that from an adjuster. This is the final offer. And I will tell you, 9 times out of 10, that is not the case. There are always additional facts. The medical bills might be still coming in. There's always reasons why an adjuster can be given more information to increase the value of a claim. The second problem we see with attorneys and adjusters is many attorneys will take the policy limit of the insurance as the maximum amount a person is going to receive. And let me give you an example. We had a cycling case where the policy of insurance, the liability policy, was $100,000. And the insurance company's best offer was to give the $100,000 up. Well, if we had accepted that, we would have not been looking at additional sources of insurance. As it turned out, there was a second liability policy worth another $100,000. And we were successful in receiving much more than the original policy limit that was related to us by the adjuster. The third problem we see is attorneys sometimes lower the value of their case when the adjuster or the defense attorney offers a very low amount. And I call it defining the universe. The insurance adjuster wants to define the universe of the claim as a low amount. A good plaintiff's attorney is going to define the universe as a high amount. And sometimes we see attorneys getting demoralized by low offers. I'm not worried about a low offer because if the case doesn't settle it at the value of the case, I can take it down to the courthouse and get 12 people to tell me what the value is. The last greatest problem that adjusters see attorneys make is the failure to set up a high and low range. If you have an attorney and he's been doing it a while, he has a sense of the value of the claim. What's the high? What's the low? And all negotiations should take place within a preset range of high and low. In most cases, we'll settle somewhere in the middle. If the attorney comes in and he just wades into it and takes the approach that he's going to see how things shake out, and he hasn't set high and low limits, he may find himself where he ends up bidding against himself. And the adjusters and the defense attorneys are very, very experienced. They know if the attorney comes in with a certain amount, they're going to bid lower than that amount, and they're going to keep on knocking him down. You can't get full compensation by continuing to go down in your offers, hoping that the insurance company is going to pay you this sum of money. Set parameters. Again, my name is Greg Stokes. I'm a personal injury lawyer. If you found this video was helpful to you today and you'd like to talk about your own case, please call us at 1-800-700-5050.